What is the difference between marketing and selling? Sometimes people used to say, basically there are the difference. They have the relationship, but actually there is a difference. Selling is one of the key elements of marketing. Like selling is one of the branch of a tea marketing, or selling is a branch of a tree marketing. Or you can also say marketing is the process various concepts is in the form of chain. There are various concepts like promotion is one concept, chain management is another concept, advertisement is one concept, product development is one concept, segmentation, targeting, positioning is one concept. There are the various concepts which constitutes marketing, and selling is one of the concept of in the chain of marketing. This is the first difference. Second difference, marketing starts with buyer and focus constantly on the need of buyer. Means in case of marketing, first we will see what is the demand of buyer. That's why it will start with the buyers, and constantly we will see what is the change in the demand of the buyer, so that we can also change in our product, we can also change in our services. But in case of selling start with the seller. Means what we can produce, first we will produce the things, then we will try to find out the our customer. That is the selling thing. So selling start with the seller, preoccupied all the time with the need of the seller, what we can produce, how we can produce, how much we can get the profit. So these are the things in the selling point. Marketing involve pulling strategy. Pulling strategy means because we made as per the demand of the customer, so we attract the customer. That is the pulling. We attract the customer through the different promotional activities. But in case of selling, it involves pushing strategy. Pushing strategy means because we made the product first, now we try to look for our customer. So we push our product into a market through different middleman. It may be we will convince them for sell the product to the customer by offering them more incentive, more discount, more profits, like that one. Marketing seeks to convert customer need into product. Means first we will see what is customer need is, what is customer demand is, then we will convert into a product. And we never say it's as a product, we say as a customer satisfaction, customer value. But in case of selling, selling seeks to quickly convert the product into a cash. Because we make the product first, so we try to sell it and make the cash. So that is the purpose of selling. After that, for marketing, planning is long-term orientation in today product and terms of new products. Means we are looking for the future, not for 6 months, not for 1 year. We are looking for the 5 year, 10 year, 20 year, how our product will work, how our product will going to change in case of marketing. But in case of selling, planning is for short term, maybe for the 1 month, 6 months, but not more than 1 year. How to get the maximum benefit into a short term. That is their planning. And in case of marketing, consumer determine price and price determine cost. Means we will see what is the perception of the customer, how much they want to pay for this particular product, what is their price expectation, what is the competitive price. Then we are going to make the product as per that price, and we will fix that price according to that one. But in case of selling, we will put the money. That's why we have to put the cost, we incur the cost, then according to that cost we will put the price, and we will try to sell according to that price. So this is the main difference between marketing and selling. I hope you got this.